Hey guys, it's Charm J. Yes, my husband woke me up with this unicorn of a bag. Today we are looking at the large Kisslock frame bag in crystal signature Jacquard. This bag is absolutely beautiful. I mean, look at all those crystals, all those gems. Look at the way it sparkles. And let's not forget the shape of the bag is beautiful. It is so gorgeous. So gorgeous. I can't even believe that he got me this bag. It's beautiful. Coach did his big one with this bag because, first of all, they keep selling out. They keep selling out. As soon as they restock, they're gone. So if you got one, shout out to you. Look at the bag. Look at the way it glistens, the way it sparkles. Oh, wait a minute. Time for a surprise. Boom. My bag just had a baby. Congratulations to us. Yes, I am a Coach grandmother. If you know, you know. So look at the smaller one is just as beautiful and sparkly and shiny and shimmering, all things sweet. So cute, super cute. Okay, let's get back to the big bag because girl, like I could just be quiet for the rest of the video and see how you just kept looking. You was still looking at all the crystals glistening in the light because that's just what this bag does. You really don't have to say much. It is a statement bag. You wear this and I guarantee you everybody's going to be looking. Even if they don't wear Coach, they're going to look. They're going to look. I love this bag. Look at how it just shines. It's just sitting there and it's just like, you see me. You already know what's good when you see me. Don't make me go in the sun. Don't make me turn on my flash. Okay? So, ladies, if you got one, shout out to you because these bags are currently sold out. Currently sold out. Okay? And this, my friend, is the large Kisslock frame bag in crystal signature Jacquard. Bye.